In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an email you sent in Gmail. We've all had that moment where we hit send and instantly realize there's a typo. The wrong file is attached, or the message went to the wrong person. The good news is that Gmail has a built-in feature that lets you quickly undo sending an email, as long as you act fast. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how it works and how to set it up so you have a bit more time to change your mind. First, go ahead and send an email just like you normally would in Gmail. Once you click the Send button, look immediately at the bottom left corner of your Gmail window. You'll see a small notification bar appear that says, Message Sent. Right next to that, you'll see an option that says Undo. This Undo option is the key. If you click Undo within the allowed time window, Gmail will stop that message from actually being delivered and reopen it as a draft. That means the email is essentially pulled back before it leaves Gmail's servers. You can then edit the message, change the recipients, fix any mistakes, or just delete the draft entirely if you decide not to send it at all. By default, this undo window is pretty short, so it's a good idea to customize it. To do that, click the gear icon near the top right of Gmail to open your settings. Then choose See All Settings. On the General tab, find the option called Undo Send. Here you can choose how long Gmail keeps that undo button available, usually between a few seconds up to around half a minute. Select the time that makes you feel comfortable. Then scroll down and save your changes. From now on, every time you send an email, you'll see that same Message Sent notification with the Undo option, lasting for the amount of time you selected. Keep in mind, this only works during that brief window. Once it disappears, the email is sent for good, and you can't delete it from the recipient's inbox. As a tip, get in the habit of pausing for a moment after you hit send and checking that notification bar. If anything looks wrong, click Undo right away. With this feature set up correctly, you'll have a small but very useful safety net every time you send an email in Gmail.